In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to connect Monday.com to Power BI step by step, so you can pull your board data directly into Power BI for reporting, dashboards, and advanced analytics. If you want to visualize your Monday projects, tasks, timelines, or performance metrics inside Power BI, this is the complete 2026 easy guide to get you set up properly. I'll walk you through generating your API token, setting up the web connection, adding the required headers, and loading your data for transformation. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss future software tutorials just like this. All right, let's get started. The first thing we need to do is get your Monday API token. Open Monday.com in your browser and log into your account. Once you're inside your workspace, look at the bottom left corner and click on your profile picture. From the menu that appears, click on Admin. Inside the Admin section, find and click on API. Here you'll see the option to generate a new API token. Click Generate, and Monday will create a unique API token for your account. Copy this token and keep it somewhere safe for now because we'll need to paste it into Power BI in just a moment. This token allows Power BI to securely connect to your Monday account and retrieve your board data. Next, open Power BI Desktop. Once Power BI is open, go to the Home ribbon at the top of the screen and click on Get Data. From the list of available data sources, choose Web. This allows us to connect directly to Monday's API endpoint. When the Web Connector window appears, don't use the basic mode. Instead, click on Advanced. This is very important because Monday's API requires headers and a request body, which are only available in advanced mode. You'll now see fields for the URL, HTTP request headers, and the body content. In the URL field, paste the official Monday API endpoint, which is https://api.monday.com/v2. Next, we need to add a header so Power BI can authenticate properly. In the HTTP request header section, enter authorization as the header name and then paste your API token as the value. This tells Monday that the request is coming from you and that it's authorized. Now we need to add the GraphQL query in the body section. Monday's API uses GraphQL, which means we specify exactly what data we want returned. In the body field, you can paste a query that requests your boards and their items, for example, requesting board IDs, names, and column values. Make sure the body is formatted correctly as a JSON request containing your query. Once you've added the URL, the authorization header, and the GraphQL query in the body, double-check everything for accuracy. Now click OK. Power BI will connect to Monday's API. If everything is set up correctly, Power BI will retrieve your board data and open the Navigator window. From there, you can select the return data and click Transform Data to open the Power Query editor. Inside Power Query, you can expand records, convert lists into tables, rename columns, and shape the data exactly how you need it for reporting. Once your data looks good, click Close and Apply to load it into your Power BI report. You can now build dashboards, charts, and visualizations directly from your Monday boards. And that's it. You've successfully connected Monday.com to Power BI using the API. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.